Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are welcome to my channel, okay? Is the inner form, no really. Alright, but before we delve into what we have for today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified, okay? Bye. I randomly picked words we use every day to improve your Igbo vocabulary, okay? Yes. But I think I'm going to divide this into two videos, okay? Yes. Let's start. Kids, the first one for today is erosion. 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 Mbuze. Mbuze. Yes, erosion. Mbuze. We have valley. Valley. Ndida. 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 Valley. We have mountain. Mountain. Ugu. Ugu for mountain. Mbuze. Mbuze. Mbuze for erosion. Erosion. Yes. Then ndida. Ndida for valley. Then mountain. Ugu. Ugu. Ugu na ndida. Mountain and valley. The mountain and valley. Okay. Ugu na ndida. Alright, now let's climb up the mountain. Bia ka anyị lia ugu. Bia come. Ka anyị let us climb the mountain. Bia ka anyị lia ugu. Lia climb, okay? Lia ugu mountain. Bia ka anyị lia ugu. Come, let's climb up the mountain. Okay? Yes, we have the wind. Wind. Ikuku. Ikuku. The wind is blowing. Ikuku neku. Ikuku na eku. Ikuku neku. Okay? The wind is blowing. Ikuku neku. Ikuku neku. Alright? We also have bracelet. Yes, bracelet. Bracelet. Mwa aka. Mwa aka. Mwa aka bracelet. Mwa aka. Mwa aka. Aka hand, okay? Mwa aka nke amaka. Mwa aka nke amaka. This bracelet is beautiful. Mwa aka nke amaka. This bracelet is beautiful, okay? The next one is to yawn. Yes. Yawn. Urele. 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 To yawn. Onere. Urele. He or she is yawning. Or, remember, or he or she. Okay? Onere. Urele. He or she is yawning. Onere. Urele. Okay? Urele. Urele. Yawn. To yawn. Now we also have to sneeze. To sneeze. To sneeze. Yes. Uzele. Uzele. To sneeze. Then urele. To yawn. So uzele to sneeze. He is sneezing. Ona eti uzele. Remember, urele is onege. Ona ege urele. He or she is yawning. But this time, uzele, we use eti. Okay? Ona eti uzele. Ona eti uzele. He or she is sneezing. Ona eti uzele. So we have uzele for sneeze. Then urele for yawning. Okay? To yawn. Very good. The next one is prayer. Prayer. Ekbele. Ekbele. Okay? Prayer. Ekbele. Ekbele is prayer. To pray. Ikpe ekpele, because to pray is to do something, right? Ikpe ekpele, that is to pray. Ikpe ekpele, then prayer. Ekpele. Ekpele is prayer, then to pray. Ikpe ekpele, okay? My mother is praying. Nnem na ekpe ekpele. Nnem na ekpe ekpele. Nnem na ekpe ekpele. My mother is praying, okay? I pray all the time. Anam ekpe ekpele mgbe ọwụna, or anam ekpe ekpele mgbe niile. Alright? So, ekpele, prayer. Ikpe ekpele is to pray. Alright? Yes. The next one is a hunter. Dinta, a hunter. Dinta, okay? Dinta, a hunter. Then the next one is sorry. Sorry, Indo. I am sorry, still Indo. When you say I'm sorry, Indo, okay? Sorry, Indo. Generally, Indo is sorry. Alright? Indo, sorry. The next one is forest. Forest. Ovia. Forest. Ovia. Forest. Okay? Then farm. The farm. Farm. Ubi. Ubi for farm. Ovia or Ofia for forest. Forest. Ovia or Ofia for forest. Then the farm. Ubi. Okay? Ubi for the farm. Alright? Inside the forest. Inside the forest. Nime Ofia. Nime Ofia. Nime Ofia. Inside the forest. Now we have sickness or disease. Oya. Oya. Sickness or disease. Oya. Okay? We have bacteria. Bacteria. Nje. Nje. Nje for bacteria. Oya for disease or sickness. Okay? Oya for disease or sickness. Now we have restaurant. Restaurant. Uno olili no. Uno olili no. Olili eating. Onu drinking. Uno a house. You know. Uno olili na onu. Uno olili eating and drinking. Uno olili na onu. That's for the restaurant. Okay. Uno olili na onu. The next one is a priest. A priest. Onye nchuaja. Onye nchuaja. Onye nchuaja. A priest. So the next we have curtains. Curtains. Aqua mbochi. Aqua mbochi. Aqua mbochi for curtains. Okay. Then security. Security. Nje. Nje for security. Then security guard. Onye nche. Onye nche. Security guard. Onye nche. Then security. Nche. Nche for security. Then onye nche. Onye nche for security guard. Alright? Then we have iron. Iron. Igwe. Igwe for iron. Okay? Metal. Igwe. Iron. Igwe. Iron. The next one is oil. Oil. Mmanu. Mmanu or mmana. Mmanu. Mmanu or mmana. Then we have money. Money. Ego. Ego. Money. Ego. Okay? Then we also have debt. Debt. Ugwo. Debt. Ugwo for debt. Okay? When you owe someone something, when you are owing, we call that ugwo. Okay? You are owing me. Ijim ugwo. Ijim ugwo. You are owing me, or you are indebted to me. ijim, ụgwọ. Okay, so debt, ụgwọ, ụgwọ. Then money, ego. Okay, ego, money, ụgwọ, debt. All right. The next one is bread, bread, achịcha, achịcha, bread, achịcha, bread, achịcha, bread. We also have egbe. We have egbe, gun, egbe, gun, egbe, gun. Then we have scarf, ichafu, ichafu, scarf, ichafu, scarf, ichafu or ichawu, ichawu or ichafu for scarf. We have eze, eze or igwe, king, eze or igwe, king, king. Okay, we also have the palace, obi eze, obi eze, obi eze. That's the palace. Generally, obi in Igbo language refers to a compound, obi, compound, or obu, obi or obu, compound, depending on your dialect. My dialect says obu, obu. So whenever you hear obi or obu, they mean the same thing. Okay, compound, 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 obi or obu. So we have obi eze, palace, obi eze, palace, obu eze, palace. That is the king's compound, obu eze. Okay, an old man, agadi nwoke, agadi nwoke, an old man, agadi nwanyi, an old woman, agadi nwanyi or agadi nwanya. Okay, an old woman. That agadi there represents old age, agadi, old age. Okay, we also have fire, fire, oku, oku, fire, oku, fire. We have cold, oyi, cold, oyi. I feel cold, I am cold. Oyi na tum, oyi na tum. I am feeling cold or I am cold, oyi na tum. Okay, and that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload the remaining part, you'll be the first to be notified. Ngwanu, kodi no gozo avam kawokwa ngozika. Bye.